Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. Beneath my feet is open wide, the way that I've been holding on to time. The story of my life, I take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her up, I spend her love.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much for attending our Sabado Nights Karaoke Challenge dito lang sa The Resto Pinoy. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for participating in this event. And I would like just to clarify all the mechanics that we are putting. So your tonight's performances will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. And for the next week, Saturday by 6 p.m., we will tabulate all the performances of tonight's performance. And the highest 3 winners with the highest likes. With the highest likes po, just to confirm to everyone. And also, please tell to your friends, your relatives that without having the YouTube account, you cannot like or subscribe the videos. So even though you press 1,000,000 times for that like button, if you don't have the account or you're not signed in into your YouTube account, the like will not be pointed to the videos. Alright? And of course, as a token of appreciation, the Resto Pinoy will be giving 3 meal vouchers, alright, for two. So this includes beef or chicken sisig, TRP half fried chicken, sinigang na bangus, water soft drinks, and plain rice. So pwede nyo itong i-claim tonight or the next visit. Sama nyo si boyfriend, si girlfriend, si tito, si tita. Kung wala, pwedeng ako. So, eto po. Alright, but first, I would like to announce the winner from last week's performance. For the third highest likes in YouTube channel, that would be performance number 62. So again, I will repeat, it's performance number 62. So please do try to remember your category number in the YouTube channel. For the second highest likes is number 65, video number 65. And our top highest likes from last week's performance is number 69. Ayos. Yes. Alright, and for our draw,
you want a hot body? You want a good body?
our first winner for the Resto Pinoy gift voucher meal for 2 is number 9. Ang kumanta na Sayang na Sayang, Miss Charmy Pene. Ayos. Dito ka, ma'am. Picture with Derek Ramsey. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. Balita ko birthday mo. May kasama ka ng kakain. Happy birthday po. Alright, our next winner for they are not here. So I will be drawing the next winner. Ito po. Medyo magkalapit. Alright, our next winner for meal 2. Kilala niyo na siguro to. Duterte, Mr. Napoleon. Pero alright, picture with Derek Ramsey. 1, 2, 3, ayo. Once again, mahal namin Presidente sa Pilipinas, suportado ka namin dito sa Abu Dhabi. We are all praying for you, Mr. President Rodrigo Duterte. We believe in change. You will help us in change, mahal namin Presidente. Ayos! Duterte! Alright, and last but not the least, our lucky winner for meal of 2 from Resto Pinoy. Medyo magkakalapit sila, grabe. It's number 10. Closer, You and I, Mr. Gary Maige. Alright, picture with our rounds. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so once again, maraming salamat po. And after 1 to 2 days, may upload na po sa YouTube yung mga videos ninyo. So don't forget to tell to your friends, to your family, the mechanics that I have told you to like, because we will base on the highest like performances. And once again, maraming salamat po and enjoy the evening. This is DJ Jeff signing out. Ayun!
Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. Beneath my feet is open wide, the way that I've been holding on.